So good morning to everyone. Now we will continue that exercise 13.7. Okay, so in previous class we completed half portion of 13.7 we did it. Now today we will going to complete this exercise 13.7. So here question number 6 we will take the volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube and the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter. Find first part height of the cone, second part slant height, and the third part that we need to calculate is curved surface area. Okay, volume is given, height we need to calculate, slant height we need to calculate, and curved surface area. So let's begin the solution. We will do one by one. First of all, what is given, we will going to utilize that one. Volume is 9856 centimeter cube and the diameter is given 28 centimeter. So radius will be half of diameter, that is 14 centimeter. We will assume height be h. Okay, so volume is given as 9856 centimeter cube and volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substitute all those value and calculate it. We are getting h is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7 divided by 2 into 14 into 14. So in after calculation we are getting h is equal to 48 centimeter. Okay, after this we will find slant height. So slant height can be obtained by using the formula, that is L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Now substitute all those values. 48 square plus 14 square. So 2304 plus 196 getting 2500 and its square root is 50 centimeter. So the required slant height is 50 centimeter. Now we need to find curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone is pi RL. So pi, that is 22 by 7, r that we know which is given as 14 centimeter, and L we calculated right now 50. So we are getting 2200 centimeter square. That is the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so in this way we will do this question. Come to next question, that is question number 7. Now this question is different question. You can see we need to rotate a triangle. Okay, one right triangle is there and it is sides are given 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter, and this triangle is revolve about the side 12 centimeter. So when triangle revolve about the side 12 centimeter, so we will get one cone, we will get one 3D shape. Okay, on revolving, after revolving we are getting 3D shape and we will form a cone. You can see this figure, we will get this cone. Okay, so height about the side 12 meter it's revolved, so we are getting height as 12 meter and radius will be taken as 5 centimeter. Okay, slant height is 13. So from the formula we will calculate the volume of cone. So radius will be taken. Here the side of a triangle ABC are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter respectively. We made one figure in which it is right angle and it is revolve about, this is very important, about the side 12 centimeter. Thus we have radius of the base of the cone so formed is 5 centimeter. Okay, and height is 12 centimeter. So volume we will find in the term of pi only, but is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi into r, that is 5 into 5 into 12. So we are getting 100 pi centimeter cube. Thus the volume of the cone or the volume of the required cone is 100 pi centimeter cube. Okay, why we leave this? Because next question is based on this only. Now here you can see that is question number 8, which is again is related to question number 7 only. Now here in the same question, this question which we did it na, question number 7, in same question, now this cone is a triangle is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. This cone or triangle is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. Then what is the volume of the solid so formed, and also find the ratio of the volume of these two solids. Okay, which we did it in question number 7 as well as in question number 8. So you will get this figure. Now when it is revolved about Okay, when it is revolve about the side 5 centimeter, so height will be taken as that 5 centimeter and radius will be taken as 12 centimeter. This is the figure that you can see. Now here, see, since triangle is revolve, this triangle is revolve around the side 5, so height will be taken of this cone as 5 centimeter and radius will be taken as 12 centimeter. Now we will find volume by using in the term of pi only, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi into r, that is 12 into 12 into 5, getting 240 pi centimeter cube. And we need to find, this is the volume of this cone, okay, 240 pi centimeter cube. Now we need to find ratio. So required ratio is 100 pi divided by 240 pi, that is 5 by 12, or we can say it is 5 is to 12. So the required ratio is 5 is to 12. I hope solution of both the question was clear. Now we will go for the next question, that is question number 9. Now here in this question, when you will read a heap of wheat, you have seen in village, heap is there and wheat is there, and when so many wheats are or above another, we got a heap. So that is in the shape of cone, whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume and also find the heap to be covered with the help of canvas to protect it from rain. So we need to find the area of canvas required. So, here diameter is 10.5 meters. So we will calculate the radius. So radius will be equal to 10.5 divided by 2, and height will be taken as 3 meter. So heap is in the form of cone. So diameter is 10.5. So radius will be 10.5 by 2, and height is 3. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2 into 3. After calculation, we are getting 86.625 meter cube. Now we need to find the surface area. For that we need L. So let's calculate L. L is equal to under root h square plus r square. So 3 square plus 10.5 by 2 whole square. So you're getting 110.25 plus 9. The calculation we are getting 6.05 approx. Okay, so surface area or the area of canvas required is equal to pi RL. Curved surface area, definitely it will be curved surface area only. So that is equal to what? Pi RL. So 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 6.05. After calculation, we are getting 99.825 meter square. In this way, we will do these calculation. I hope till this it is clear. Rest we will discuss in